Welcome to Tech Goods, the best smart dishwashers in 2026, featuring innovative technology, energy-efficient performance, and powerful cleaning designed for modern homes. From app control to intelligent wash cycles, these smart appliances make kitchen cleanup easier than ever. Stay tuned as we break down the top models you should consider this year. Links in the description. Number 5. The Thor Kitchen 24-inch 45 decibel Energy Star certified built-in dishwasher with adjustable rack and tall tub in stainless steel. Model HDW2401SS is an exceptional appliance for modern kitchens, combining efficiency, quiet operation, and smart features. Its sleek stainless steel design, with a smudge-resistant finish, ensures it remains attractive even in busy households. The dishwasher is built with a durable, tall tub and accommodates up to 14 place settings across 3 adjustable racks, making it suitable for both small and large families. This model offers 6 versatile wash cycles, including heavy-duty, pots and pans, energy saver, sanitary wash, quick rinse, and gentle wash. The built-in soil sensor intelligently adjusts the runtime based on the dirtiness of the dishes, optimizing water and energy use. With a 45 decibel sound rating, it operates quietly, allowing you to run it even during conversations or in open concept kitchens. The inclusion of a top rack silverware basket, removable baskets, and a heated dry option enhances convenience and flexibility. Installation is straightforward with the included drain hose, installation kit, and plug-in connection. Thor Kitchen recommends professional installation to ensure optimal performance. Safety features, such as a control lock and leak-resistant design, provide added peace of mind. As an Energy Star certified appliance, it is energy efficient, using an estimated 249 kilowatt-hours annually. This dishwasher is also panel-ready, allowing seamless integration into your cabinetry. Overall, the Thor Kitchen HDW2401SS combines functionality, durability, and modern design, delivering exceptional washing performance while maintaining low noise and energy efficiency. It is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish built-in dishwasher. Number 4. The LG 24-inch QuadWash Pro Top Control Dishwasher, model LDTH5554D, is a state-of-the-art appliance designed to make dishwashing faster, cleaner, and more convenient. Its standout feature is the 1-hour wash and dry cycle, which combines LG's exclusive QuadWash Pro and dynamic heat dry technologies to deliver sparkling, table-ready dishes in a fraction of the time. QuadWash Pro uses high-pressure jets and over 1 million microbubbles to remove stubborn food residue from multiple angles, ensuring professional-level cleaning performance with every load. The dynamic heat-dry technology circulates hot air evenly throughout the dishwasher, providing faster and more complete drying while safely handling plastics. The top control design offers easy access to all settings, and the inclusion of a third rack provides additional customization for utensils, small items, or delicate dishes, maximizing space and organization. LG also incorporates ThinQ auto leak detection, monitoring the water supply, drainage, and potential leaks, offering reassurance and peace of mind during operation. The dishwasher is powered by LG's inverter direct drive motor, which has fewer moving parts and no belts, delivering powerful cleaning while consuming less energy. This motor is highly durable and backed by a 10-year manufacturer's limited warranty, ensuring reliability for years to come. With quiet operation, advanced cleaning technologies, and thoughtful design, the LG LDTH5554D excels in both performance and convenience. It is an ideal choice for households seeking efficiency, energy savings, and exceptional cleaning results in a modern and stylish built-in dishwasher. Number 3. The Bosch 500 Series 24-inch bar handle dishwasher, model SHX65DM5N, is a sophisticated built-in appliance designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance, convenience, and quiet operation. Its standout feature is Zone Wash technology, which provides a dedicated intensive wash space to tackle stubborn, stuck-on food while ensuring delicate items remain undamaged. The AutoAir feature automatically opens the door at the end of the cycle, allowing fresh air to circulate for faster and more complete drying. The dishwasher includes a standard third rack, offering ample space for utensils, silverware, and small kitchen items, maximizing overall loading capacity. The large interior provides flexibility for pots, pans, dishes, and glassware, making it suitable for families of all sizes. Bosch has equipped this model with 5 standard wash cycles, including heavy, auto, normal, speed 60, and favorite, along with additional options such as sanitize, remote start, and AutoAir. Further customization is possible through the Home Connect app, enabling smart cycle selection, delay start, and voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The touch control panel is intuitive, placing commonly used cycles and options at your fingertips, while the info light feature shines a red beam on the floor to indicate operation without distracting noise. The full stainless steel tub is durable and long-lasting, and the precisely engineered detergent tray ensures that detergent tabs are held securely for a deep, residue-free clean. ENERGY STAR certified, this dishwasher provides energy efficiency while maintaining high performance, combining smart technology, quiet operation, and a sleek design. The Bosch 500 series SHX65DM5N is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality dishwasher for modern kitchens. Number 2. The Unique Appliances Classic Retro 24-inch 45 decibel ENERGY STAR certified built-in dishwasher. Model UGP24CR-DW-LG combines nostalgic 1950s styling with modern cleaning technology. Its iconic retro design, featuring chrome-finished accents and a top control panel, makes it a standout addition to any kitchen while providing convenient and intuitive operation. This dishwasher is designed to operate quietly at 45 decibels, allowing you to run it even while entertaining guests without disruption. With 6 versatile wash cycles, including heavy, auto, normal, delicate, quick, and rinse, it is capable of handling everything from lightly soiled dishes to stubborn food residue. Additional options, such as sanitizing and delayed wash, further enhance functionality and allow for customizable cleaning to suit your schedule and needs. The large stainless steel tub, illuminated with LED lighting, accommodates up to 14 place settings, making it suitable for families or frequent entertainers. The adjustable second rack and third-level utensil rack provide flexibility for larger items and smaller utensils, maximizing space and organization. This dishwasher is ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring efficient water and energy use while reducing utility costs. The audible end-of-cycle signal provides a convenient reminder when your dishes are ready. It also pairs seamlessly with other Unique Appliances retro-style products, such as refrigerators, ranges, and range hoods, enabling the creation of a cohesive, vintage-inspired kitchen design. Overall, the Unique Appliances Classic Retro UGP 24CR-DW-LG dishwasher offers a perfect combination of style, performance, and quiet efficiency, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to bring both charm and functionality to their kitchen. Number 1. The Cafe Custom Fit ENERGY STAR Stainless Interior Smart Dishwasher, Model CDP888M5VS5, is a high-performance, intelligently designed appliance that combines advanced cleaning technology with quiet, energy-efficient operation. Finished in platinum glass, this dishwasher brings a modern and sophisticated look to any kitchen while offering exceptional functionality. Operating at just 39 decibels, it is remarkably quiet, allowing you to run full cycles without disturbing conversations or household activities. The custom-fit top rack and basket provide unparalleled flexibility for loading silverware, stemware, blender parts, and other items that traditionally required hand washing. The Ultra Wash Zone delivers targeted high-pressure jets to remove stubborn food residue, ensuring all items come out sparkling clean. A dedicated custom-fit lid caddy keeps cup lids and blender blades in the ideal position for cleaning and drying, preventing water from pooling. Dual convection ultra dry with hidden heat ensures even delicate items, fine china, and dishwasher-safe plastics are thoroughly dried. Smart features powered by the Smart HQ app enable remote monitoring, favorite cycle access, and performance optimization using intelligent machine learning. The dishwasher also includes pre-soak and sanitize options, effectively loosening tough soils and eliminating 99.999% of bacteria. Wash zones allow targeted half-load cleaning in either the upper or lower rack, conserving water and energy. Additional features include a smooth glide adjustable middle rack, leak defense with active flood protect, and flexible ultra wash and dry cycles tailored to various cleaning needs. Overall, the Cafe CDP 888 M5 VS5 offers advanced cleaning, smart technology, and design versatility, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a quiet, efficient, and fully customizable dishwasher that delivers table-ready results consistently. That wraps up our guide to the best smart dishwashers in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect dishwasher to match your kitchen and lifestyle needs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video with more helpful reviews and recommendations.